In my Valentine week series, I'll be uploading and sharing with you guys last minute and budget friendly ideas. So stay tuned. Hello friends, video number 6 of the series. Okay, so my today's video is on hug day. Yes, if you are in a relationship, just go and hug your girl or guy. Simple. But if you are not in a relationship, then also you can celebrate this day with your friends, saying that, just saying, like just you can text or you can same thing, write it down on a paper and say that today on hug day I would love to. Even if you are in a relationship, you can say these words, like this are really very nice and little cheesy, but I am sure the girl will like it, even the guy may like it. Yes, what you can say is that happy hug day. Today I would like to hug all your sorrows and all your angerness, all your bad things, negativity in you. I would like to hug them and make you free from those. That's it you can do for hug day. Like yes, you can even hug your friend. It's not a big deal, but for some girls it's a big deal. Like how can I hug a guy? Especially in India, like not in big cities, but at some places some girls do think. So for them you can use these lines. That's all. And on hug day what you can do is that you can promise to hug every week or maybe every day if you are in a relationship and if you meet every day. Or else what you can say is, I will hug you. You can promise some things like I will hug you whenever you need me. A tight hug don't solve your problem but gives you strength to solve those problems. Like it is said in that movie Jadoo Ki Jappi, yes, it's always a Jadoo Ki Jappi. So do give and do let others give Jadoo Ki Jappi. It will literally give you strength. That's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share and comment below that what other ideas you'll have for hug day, or else what other things you can say on hug day. That's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe. Like my tomorrow's video will be on kiss day. That's it. Bye bye.